Welcome back to Beyond the Lens Productions. Well, Stellantis has done it again. They have made yet another stupid move. They're basically killing their Daytona Dodge Charger EV before it even hits the lots. Want to know more? Stick with me, and I'll tell you all about it. Roll the intro. Welcome back, guys. The Dodge Charger Daytona EV, dead on arrival. So, what do I mean, you might ask? Well, basically, they have made an announcement that by 2026, they're going to be putting a solid state battery in the new Charger EV, if it even lasts that long and doesn't burn up on arrival. So basically, they're going to kill it. Who's going to want to buy the current model when they know a much better model is on the horizon? This one's going to be faster charging, longer range, and much lighter than the current battery pack. So basically, right now, what Stellantis is telling you is they're going to sell you an overpriced paperweight. I mean, this current Dodge Charger, which is only just starting to come onto lots now, is going to depreciate faster than your current iPhone. So it's basically, to me, what seems like Stellantis is trying to turn cars into is cell phones here. And I mean, I was watching a video over on TK's Garage, and he was saying how there's a customer in some dealership somewhere that paid over $100,000 to get their hands on one of these EVs first. Crazy. I don't understand why you would spend that kind of money on that. I guess you're just one of these people that has to have everything first. I don't know. But anyhow, so you would think that having released its information on the new Charger EV coming out, that they'd be offering some discounts in the current one because they've announced that a newer, better one is coming out and it's going to blow the current one out of the water. But no, Stellantis still wants to sell you a bunch of overpriced cars. I mean, I can see so many issues with this. I mean, I could even see down the road banks not wanting to loan you money for these cars because these things are going to depreciate so fast that, it wouldn't even be smart for a bank to really want to give you money for something like this. I mean, what kind of collateral are you going to have on a vehicle that's going to lose 50% of its value in the first 2 years, if not more? I mean, depreciation has always been something that has been a reality in the car industry, but I've never seen anything quite so exponential as these are. But anyhow, I mean, even insurance companies, I don't know, I can see it causing a lot of problems there too. So anyhow, this is just a quick video. I want to bring this to light for you guys because I thought this was kind of an interesting topic. So tell me in the comments below what you think. Do you think my concerns are justified? Do you think it matters? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I've got many more exciting videos coming your way in the near future. And you guys have yourself a great day.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.